So today I'm going to be talking about how to make DIY pencil holder. So what I have here is like a cardboard, and then I have toilet roll that I wrapped in construction paper, and I chose like a sandal color, but you can choose whatever color you want, like red, blue, pink, yellow, and then just wrap it around the roll that you have. And then I just made like a plain theme, but and also I put together with tape. But what you can do is you can make like different themes, such as like you can make it colorful, you can make it fun, such as like drawing different patterns. You can also do like a caterpillar, you can do like a unicorn theme, and also you can do like a monster. So this is like a quick fun activity that you can do with your kids, and I'm all about like being quick and doing easy activities with them. So I hope you enjoyed this, and be sure to subscribe for more like crafts ideas and also activities to do with your kids. Thank you.